if you meet someone from another country who didn't know anything about Philippines, what would you want them to know? Most welcome.
Philippines, so meaningful in the Philippines. It will welcome in his area.
A responsible Filipino citizen and why?
Hi, good afternoon. Tatagalogin ko na lang para natin maintindihan.
Sa ulitin? Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a responsible Filipino citizen and why? Okay. The final question. Who is the founder of OATG?
The founder of OATG is no other than the handsome Mr. Kevin Jokofu.
No. Thank you, contestant number 6.
Na maayos at magayos ng damit o makeup sa araw na ito.
Quiet, please.
Salamat.
Okay. Here's your final question is, who is the co-founder of OATG?
Ma'am Rachel. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, contestant number 8. Okay, here's your question. Please, in your opinion, what is better, arranged marriage or love marriage? You will. In your opinion, what is better, arranged marriage or love marriage?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Most welcome.
For me, the better is love. And kasi po, tayo lahat ay may kanya-kanyang choices. So, if kung gusto
Where is the last trip of OATG? Last trip. Last tour, last trip.
February 22, Sky Night.
Go! Sky.
Skylight.
Skyline. Thank you, contestant number 6. OATG admins.
Admins are 7 admins. Just a moment. Okay. Admins only. Okay. Our admins as OFW Adventure was 6. We are 6. Thank you very much.
Thank you, contestant number 10. The first thing you should do if we crown you Miss OF Adventures.
Good afternoon to everyone. Mabuhay. Kung ako po ay mapipili na bilang isang OFW adventure, I will promote the OFW adventure through social media because lahat naman po tayo ngayon ay talagang sa social media po tayo ay marami po tayong natututunan at naipabahagi na mga dapat natin pong ipaalam sa bawat Pilipino. At ini-encourage ko din po ang ating mga kapwa ko OFW sa aking mga friends na hindi lamang po na po trabaho. Mga amo ay tayo na po ay mga stress. Kung tayo po ay sasama sa mga trip po ng OFW Adventure, isa po ako sa saksi na kung gaano po kasaya at talagang nakakaiwan.
Naglit lang, baka nagdulin niya ko. Number! Who is your bet? La 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 la. Hey, come on. Up, 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 up. This is my judges. That's the report from judges. Mas napagod na siya sa akin.